you make a pizza. Wait.
Oh.
Wait.
Start mo yung video mo. You're not yet starting it.
Daddy, I already opened it.
Okay. Sige.
Ah, the salsa.
I will be in your video. I need to put some towel.
Okay. The sauce. We need more sauce.
Hi guys, my baby is making feeds. So,
Sorry, Dad.
ganito lang baby. Oh.
Sorry, Dad.
Ganito mo i-spread. Look.
Okay.
Look. Tsaka slowly lang.
Okay. Sorry for interrupting. Although now I am making a pizza. Yay. Wait, the cheese. Where's the cheese?
Make one for mommy as well, okay?
Okay. The cheese. The cheese. Ah! Now let me just add like how much?
Basta slowly lang yung paglagay ha.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think that's it. Okay. Oh god. Did I add too much cheese? Okay, I think that's enough spreading. I made a hot dog. Hot dog. I need all the tiny parts. Yeah. Yeah. Is there a ladybug? I think I just made a ladybug. Okay, pizza. Yay. Next pizza. Pizza. Oh, oopsies. I think I added too much sauce. Spread the sauce. How much sauce did I add? A lot. I'm sorry, sauce. I added too much of you. Now the cheese. Oopsies. Oops. Okay. Cheese. Oh! The cheese. Now, add the plus sign. Okay. Now let's just put them a bit together. Oopsies, I accidentally made a mistake. I was meant to add something else. Oh. My hands are getting dirty. Now the last pizza is about to be opened. One take. I can't believe I'm making pizza so fast. Okay, add the sauce. Let me just get it. I'm actually spreading it. Oh. Ew. Oh. Okay. Yes. The cheese. Yay. The cheese. Oh god. Oh god. I'm just gonna like clean up this mess and add it on the pizza. Let me just spray it with my hands. Oh god. This is so weird. This is so crazy, dude. Okay, we have our last pizza to make. Oh god. Let's add some on the other pizza. I am now done making the pizzas. Just need to put them.
Good job.
Daddy, Dad, can you put them in? Yum, yum,
Okay.
yum, 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 yum,
Oh,
yum.
you say goodbye muna sa ano mo. Bye. Bye to your viewer. Bye, guys.
Guys, wait. We're just gonna put them.